Hi, have you ever wanted to build a real profitable online business but weren't sure where to start? Well, if so, then my new program is just for you. My name is Adam and I'm an Amazon self-publisher. Over the past 9 years, I have built and scaled multiple Amazon KDP businesses focusing on simple, low-content books. In fact, with my most recent business, I generated over $200,000 in just under a year. And now I'm putting all my experience into this program, where I'll be taking you step by step through building your own profitable Amazon publishing business from start to finish. I'll go through everything from understanding KDP and low content books, finding profitable niches, creating your books without any writing or design skills, publishing and advertising them, and even establishing your publishing brand and scaling it. So if you're looking for proven guidance to create a real income stream, I believe this blueprint is perfect for you. Thank you so much for checking out the campaign. All the details are down below. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I'll answer them as best as I can. Thank you for considering backing this project.